Hello everyone, I am here with a new training. I will teach you TCP/IP and basic networking systems in this training. TCP/IP protocol is used actively since 1980s. We use this protocol for today's modern network structures. This is actually a whole system including IP addressing, subnetting, routing, switching, firewall, and VPN concepts. It will be an introductory training for you. You will start learning from basic networking to advanced level security issues. What will you learn from this training? First, you will understand the logic of today's network topologies. Initially, you will learn the star topology. Then, you will learn the switch and MLAN mechanisms involving Ethernet cards and NIC cards. After that, you will learn the TCP/IP concept. You will have an idea about the IP addressing. After that, you will be able to do subnetting systems. After subnetting, you will learn consisting of these systems by routing method. After this, you will be able to open these systems to the internet with firewall and port mechanisms. Therefore, you will be able to understand the fundamental structures of TCP/IP and basic network systems. See you in the training.